Hi, I'm Tim Teleke from In-Out Labs. What is a 17-panel hair drug test? Well, it's something new we have to offer. It tests for 17 different drugs and can identify a whopping 45 different substances. I know, what are the 17 drugs? We'll list them on the screen, but I'll tell you right now, it's amphetamines, methamphetamine, cocaine, marijuana, opiates, synthetic opiates, fentanyl, PCP, benzodiazepines, barbiturates, methadone, propoxyphene, meperidine, tramadol, buprenorphine, and zolpidem. Don't know if I said them all right, but that's a lot of drugs. Now, I said that includes 45 substances. Well, how does that work? Well, it's fairly simple. The 17-panel hair drug test will detect 8 different variants of benzodiazepines, for example. So with all the different variants, it's fairly easy to get to 45 substances when you're testing for 17 drugs. So why do you use hair? Well, hair gives you a very long detection window, up to 90 days worth of history. So if the goal is to detect a pattern of use or a lifestyle, hair testing is a really good choice. It's not going to find out if somebody used drugs yesterday, but you're going to find out if it's part of their life. And I should also mention that they call it often a hair follicle test. It's not technically the follicle because they're not plucking the hair out by the root, because that's where the follicle is. It's cut close to the skin. When you cut the hair close to the skin, you're not going to detect drug use in the last 5 days or so. But you will find a long pattern of use within that length of hair. As with all drug testing at In-Out Labs, results are reviewed by our MRO, which is a medical review officer. So if you're testing yourself, for example, and something tests positive, you'll have a chance to discuss the results with the doctor, who can explain to you exactly what they found. If you're an employer, the MRO protects you from the liability associated with dealing with a positive result for somebody who has a prescription. When you're testing for 17 drugs, there is a chance that something valid will come up with the test. And the MRO sorts that out and protects the employee's privacy while also protecting the employer's interests. So, if you're interested in learning more about our 17-panel hair drug test, you can contact In-Out Labs at inoutlabs.com. Or you can order the test at inoutlabs.com/order, or give us a call at 847-657-7900. I'm Tim Teleke from In-Out Labs. Please subscribe to our channel below.